Hello students, welcome back to my video. Today in this video, I will show you how to convert decimal fraction to binary number. Okay, so here you can see the topic is to convert decimal fraction to binary. So in the previous video you have seen how to convert decimal number into binary. So that decimal number was only a whole number. Okay. Now if you are having any decimal fraction number, then how to convert that number into binary form? So to convert a decimal fraction into binary, the procedure to be successively multiply the decimal fraction by 2 and record all the numbers on the left of the decimal point. So reading down these numbers, the final binary result is obtained. Okay. So now here we'll see one example here. Here the example is given 22.50, but it is wrong. It is 22.25. Okay. Here also 22.25. So we'll see here 22.25. Now it is a what? It is a decimal fraction. Okay. The decimal this point is there. It is a fraction number. Okay. So how to convert this into binary? So before this point, what is the whole? This is the whole number part. So whole number is given 22, and after the decimal point, this is the fractional part. Fractional part is what? 25. So the whole number part will be same. Okay, whole number part will be taken out as same process that you have seen earlier. But the fractional part is something different. So this is the fractional part. So fractional part you have to multiply. The fractional part is here is what? 0.25. So you have to multiply 0.25 by 2. Okay, why 2? Because the binary digit base is 2. So you have to start multiplying the fractional part by 2. Again, this answer comes. Again, you have to multiply this fraction part by 2 again. So as long as until you get the answer 1, then you have to multiply by 2. When you get the answer 1, then you have to stop and you have to read from here. So before the point you have to read. This is before the point, whatever number is there, that will be the binary form. Okay, binary digit. So you have to take this as binary digit, and here you have to take it in this direction. That means in this manner you have to read. Here you have to read from downward to upward, but here from upward to downward you have to read, and then you have to join these two parts. This one, this part, and this part you have to join and you have to write like this. Okay, so let's see. Now you can see here 22.25 can be written as 22 plus 0.25. So you have to break these two numbers. So the first part is the whole number part and the second part is the fractional part. So you have to first of all break these two numbers, then I will convert this 22 first of all, then after that this 0.25. So here you can see you have to divide it by 2. So here 11 and the remainder is 0. Then again divide by 2. So it is 2 5 is 10 and remainder is 1. Then again divide by 2. Then 2 2 is 4, remainder is 1. Then 2 1 is 2, remainder is 0. Then 2 0 is 0 and remainder is 1. So this is our answer. So we will go from downward to upward. Okay, like this. Okay, and now we'll convert the fractional part. So you have to multiply this fractional part 0.25 into 2. Okay, equal to, it is what? So 0.25 into 2 will be what? 0.5. Now this multiply this 0.5 again by 2. So it is what? 1.0. Now this part before the decimal point, this part you will take as the binary digit. So this part is what? 0 and 1. So you have to go like this. Now we add both these binary numbers. We'll write together. So here you can see 22.25 can be written as, from here we'll start 1 0 1 1 0 and plus here 0 1. So you will give here point here 0 1. So when you combine it 1 0 1 1 0 point 0 1. So this is the binary form of 22.25. Understood? So in this way you will convert the decimal fraction to binary number. Understood? So I hope you have understood it nicely. So practice it, then you can be perfect in this. Okay, thank you.